Hi, this is Autohaus Hamilton TV, and I'm James. Contents under extreme pressure. This video is a throwback to an earlier video on air conditioning systems, where I threaten to explain why you're probably using your car's climate control wrong. I'll start with a disclaimer. I'm the guy who presses pedestrian crossing buttons and lift buttons repeatedly. Please bear that in mind if this video makes you think that I'm a smug smartass. And anyway, you're probably right. One of the byproducts of an internal combustion engine is heat. Keeping the interior of a car warm in winter is relatively easy. Just channel some of that excess heat into the passenger compartment. Keeping the passenger compartment cool in summer is a bit more tricky. You could open the windows, but that's a very unsophisticated solution. It's drafty, and there's nothing worse than getting your hair blown into your eyes while you're trying to concentrate on driving. I expect. The sophisticated answer to the problem is to install an air conditioning system. And if future me remembered to do so, there will be a link to the How Does an Air Conditioning System Work video in the description, just in case future you wants to check that out. With a non-climate control air conditioning system, life is hard. To maintain a comfortable cabin temperature, you need to switch it off or reduce the fan speed when you get too cool, and then switch it back on again when you get too warm. This is very much a first world problem. But the great thing about life in the first world is that there are first world solutions to first world problems. Enter climate control. Climate control systems use a thermostat or more than one thermostat in multi-zone systems. A thermostat is a temperature regulating device. In your car's cooling system, a thermostat is a temperature controlled valve. As the car warms up, the thermostat opens to allow coolant to get to the radiator where it is cooled. In a climate control system, the thermostat is a bit more sophisticated and controls whether the system should channel air from the air conditioning system or the heater, and also decides how hard the fan should be blowing. Climate control lets you take a set it and forget it approach to cabin temperature. Set the temperature to a comfortable one and let the climate control do its thing to keep you comfy. Most people are comfortable in a temperature of 20 or 21 degrees. It feels warm in winter and cool in summer. Except many people seem not to do this. Let me roll out two gender stereotypes here. She who must be obeyed likes to be toasty warm in winter. In winter, she sets her car's climate control to as high as it goes. Hello, dear. I have a brother who figures his car can't get cool enough in summer. He sets his car's climate control to as low as it goes. Yo, bro. The reason you don't need to do this is because if you have selected a comfortable temperature, on a baking hot day, with the sun beating down and the air hotter than the surface of Margot Robbie, the car's cabin will never reach its target temperature. It will continue to blow cool air. And if it's only a slightly too warm day, the cabin temperature will cool down to a comfortable temperature just as fast with the temperature set to, say, 21 degrees centigrade as it will if you set it to 0 degrees Kelvin. If you're still watching at this point, first of all, I salute you. Second, either you're thinking, well, duh, everybody knows that, or you're thinking, bullshit. And if you think I'm wrong, try it out and come back and post a comment. As ever, thank you very much for watching.